Are you looking for the best appliances for your compact kitchen or ADU? Today, we're diving into the latest trends in small space appliances that blend efficiency with style. Let's go ahead and break things down into three categories. Cooking when it comes to ranges, cooktops, and wall ovens, cleaning and compact dishwashing, and then lastly with refrigeration and the different options available to you. There are big benefits to 24-inch compact ranges, and it has to be its versatility. It's going to offer powerful cooking features like convection ovens and multifunctional burners despite its smaller size. In 2024, there's a lot of different stylish designs. These ranges are available in modern finishes and designs to enhance any kitchen look or style. There are a few more benefits to compact ranges like its energy efficiency. You're going to use less energy, making it more cost-effective and eco-friendly. They're also more affordable. These ranges are going to be budget-friendly compared to their full-size ranges without compromising quality. And then lastly, you can't forget about the premium features. They're going to come with those advanced features you come to expect, advanced options like convection cooking and Wi-Fi and smart technology. When it comes to compact ranges, there are many to choose from. This is one of my favorite from Bertazzoni. It's going to give you 4 aluminum burners featuring that dual ring build that's going to give you 19,000 BTUs of power, perfect for boiling and searing. It's going to give you a large 2.5 cubic foot oven, and it's going to even have a convection fan in there. So for all you bakers, it's going to have everything that you need in order to be successful there. And not to mention, it has a nice polished touch of the soft motion oven door with an edge-to-edge tempered glass. When it comes to compact kitchens, you're going to have many cooktop options. Many popular and luxury brands are going to carry the modular and smaller cooktop options. You'd be surprised. You'll see everything from 12 inches wide, 15, 24, 30, and more. And good news, they're available in various styles like induction, gas, or electric. And what's great is all these cooktops can match any kitchen aesthetic. One of my favorite smaller cooktops has to be from Wolf here. It's the transitional 24-inch. It has all the great features that Wolf has, like the dual stack burners that can get up to 18,000 BTUs. It reignites flames automatically with its spark reignition system. It has continuous cast iron grates. You're not sacrificing quality just because of its smaller size. Another great brand is Fisher & Paykel's 24-inch cooktop. It comes also with an auto reignite system, continuous flat grates, perfect for cooking multiple things at the same time, and it's stylish with its brushed stainless. Either of these would be a great choice for any small kitchen or ADU. Now that we've talked about ranges and cooktops, let's talk about the benefits of small wall ovens. They're versatile when it comes to installation. They can be installed at the eye level or below the counter, making it easier to access, eliminating the need to bend down like traditional ranges. They're also very space efficient. Small wall ovens are typically 24 inches or less and fit seamlessly into those compact kitchen layouts, freeing up a lot of floor space and allowing more room for cabinetry and storage. If you're not liking a wall oven, a speed oven is a great alternative. If you've never heard of a speed oven, they combine the capabilities of a traditional oven, microwave, and a convection oven all in one appliance. Not to mention, speed ovens cook food up to 50% faster than conventional ovens. They have an integrated roast probe and other great features that ensure precise cooking by monitoring internal temperatures, making it ideal for roasts or delicate dishes. This is an example here from Miele. I have a lot of people in small kitchens, compact kitchens, and even in their larger kitchens opting for speed ovens in place of a traditional double wall oven, for example. Let's go ahead and touch on compact dishwashing. Compact dishwashers are 18 inches in width, and they offer efficient cleaning capabilities without taking up as much space as those traditional 24-inch wide models. There's a lot of different models to choose from. There's front control, top control. You can either get stainless steel, and then a lot of brands offer panel ready finishes too. A great option for a compact dishwasher is here from Miele. It's a panel ready option, so you can put any cabinet front on it you want to match any style that your kitchen has. It has a silence rating of 42 decibels, so you're not going to be able to hear it. It has Miele's patented quick intense wash, which is a cycle duration of less than an hour for mixed all day, everyday dishware for all normal food deposits. It has its 3D cutlery tray for your forks, knives, and spoons. It has a whopping 12 wash cycles, and it has a brilliant light system with 2 LEDs so you can see what's going on inside your dishwasher. The last thing we're going to touch on today is compact refrigeration. There are different kinds like under counter and drawers. For example, these are the drawers from Sub-Zero. You can either have them in all refrigerator drawers all freezer drawers, or you can have them in half fridge, half freezer. They come in different sizes from 24 inches wide, 30, all the way up to 36 inches. There are also columns as well, so you can do cabinet front, stainless steel front. They're tall and they don't take up a lot of space because they can be really flush to the wall. You can do them in fridges, freezers, or a combination of both. And then lastly, everybody's familiar with the counter depth freestanding refrigerators. Don't let kitchen appliances for compact spaces be a challenge. Come visit our showroom today so we can help you on your small kitchen or ADU appliance journey.